Hi, I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to be reviewing the free baby registry bag from Amazon. I'm going to tell you how to get the bag, how it compares to other bags that I've received, and everything that comes in this bag. I do want to mention that every bag might be a little bit different. They don't tell you what's going to come in it, but I feel like the main items are going to be the same. They just might be different brands. But yeah, so I think let's start by just talking about how you get this bag. You have to be a Prime member, and then you have to create a baby registry with Amazon. I had a baby registry already created with Babylist, so I didn't really need one with Amazon because Babylist can just link from every website. But I made one with Amazon so I could get this free bag. And you have to add 10 items to the bag, and then $10 needs to be purchased from your registry. So what I ended up doing was adding one of the things that my friend wanted for her baby. I added it to my registry, purchased it from my registry, and gifted it to her. And that counted towards me getting this free bag. So there's a lot of ways around it. It's really easy to get. You could also pay for the bag. It's $35 if you wanted to pay for it. I have thoughts on that, which I'll get into after I show you everything that's in this bag. And if you're wondering how to create a baby registry on Amazon, literally just type in create a baby registry into the search bar and it walks you through it. Also, if you're having trouble figuring out how to redeem your free bag, you can do the same thing, but also in the baby registry section, you will see once you're qualified to get it. It did take me a couple days for that $10 purchase to process, so it didn't happen immediately when I purchased that item, but it was pretty quick. So let's get into what's in this bag. Okay, so first is a MAM bottle. This is plastic, and I have heard good things about this bottle. I'm leaning towards glass, so I don't know if I'll ever use it, but it's very lightweight and I've heard great things about this brand. So that's nice, you get a free bottle. And then this is an amazing baby newborn muslin swaddle, and it has these cute little zebras on it. And they're saying this is a swaddle, play mat, sun shield. It gets softer after every wash. What's it made out of? It's 36 by 36, and it's, I guess, 100% muslin. Okay, you also get the Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle. This one has a vent system that's proven to reduce colic, preserve vitamins, promote better sleep, and support breastfeeding. And I believe this one is plastic. I ordered a bunch of the Dr. Brown's glass bottles. I've heard really good things about them, but I've also heard that they're heavy, and once your kid's able to throw things, it turns into an issue. Yeah, this one is plastic. So we'll see how that goes. I might end up using plastic bottles after all, but the glass ones do have the silicone sleeve that you can put on them, so that would hopefully prevent things from getting dented in your house. And then this cute little onesie. It's little stars, and this is for size 3 to 6 months. This is Amazon Essentials brand. Does it say what it's made out of? It's made in China, but I don't see the ingredients. It does feel very soft though. Oh, and then you also got the MAM pacifier. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. So I'm turning 7 months next week, and I am honestly so excited. Like, seeing all these little tiny baby things is just so cute. It makes me really happy. But I'm pretty sure this came with the bottle. I did take it out of the packaging already, and it's been a week since I got it, so I have forgotten. Pregnancy brain. But yeah, I think it did come together, so that's really cute. And then this is a sample of the organic baby drops. This is for teething liquid drops. It calms and soothes tender gums. It's for ages 3 months and up, and it says that it has 15 drops in it. And then they give you a CeraVe moisturizing baby lotion. This has 3 essential ceramides and vitamin E. It doesn't have parabens, fragrance, or dyes. And then the last item is the Lancino. This is the nursing pad and breast milk storage bag samples inside, which I have heard that breast milk is like gold, and you definitely want to preserve every last drop. So every single bag that I've received, like every free bag, has come with this sample, so it must be a big deal. And I'm glad because now I'm pretty sure it comes with two of each item in this one. So now I have 6 of them because I've done the Target bag and the Babylist bag as well. So my thoughts on this bag, if I had to pay $35 for it, I don't think I would have been very happy just because there isn't really anything in here that I'm dying to get. Like I said, I want glass bottles. I want clean baby products, and I know that the CeraVe, even though they say fragrance free, no dyes, no parabens, it's still not clean, which is a bummer. The teething drops, I like that they're organic, so it's nice to get a sample of that, but nothing in here is something that I would like die for. So if I had to pay, I would not be happy, but because I got it for free, I'm not going to complain. And I have a lot of friends that are pregnant, so I can just give them the items that I don't use or donate them or do whatever. Compared to the Target bag, I would say the Target bag has more bang for your buck, but that one is also worth more money. The Target bag is worth $100, so it's definitely worth more. So obviously you're gonna get more bang for your buck with that one. That one I have a whole other video of, and then I'm also just about to film my Babylist bag, so I will link both of those below because I think it's nice to compare, and it's nice to get as many free items as possible. I would just say that Amazon out of the 3 is the most underwhelming, but free baby stuff is free baby stuff. Also, this is kind of off topic, but just thinking of free baby stuff, if you have insurance, make sure you go through your insurance and get your free breast pump. They have like legit brands like Spectra. I got the Evie. Is it the Evie? Gosh, I honestly don't remember. It's been months. But so make sure you go and do that. And then, yeah, that's the Amazon baby bag. So if you guys have any questions, leave them below. Like I said, I'll link my other reviews of the other bags with all of the items in them. I also will link to my blog posts if you prefer to read them and just see the items listed. I have pictures and everything. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.